So in this video, we're going to talk about one way to tell whether two events are independent using the multiplication rule as a test. So just a refresher, we've talked about this. If two events, A and B, are independent, then we can use the multiplication rule, which basically says to calculate the probability that they both happen, you just multiply those two probabilities together. Again, that only works if they're independent. So the opposite of this statement is also true. If the probability of A and B happening is just equal to the probability of their independent probabilities multiplied together, that proves that they are independent. So let me show you a few examples of this. Imagine we have an event M, which means you're taking a math class, and S means you're taking a science class. Suppose the probability of M is 0.6, so like 60% of people are taking a math class. Probability of S is 0.5. The probability of M and S is 0.15. Are these two events independent? So let's actually just calculate it. If I multiply these two together, if I do 0.6 times 0.5, will that give me 0.15? And no, it will not. It will give me 0.3. So the answer would be no, they are actually dependent. Here's another example. In a class, 60% of the students have brown eyes, 50% of the students have long hair, 30 of them have brown eyes and long hair. Are these events independent? So again, just multiply the separate probabilities, brown eyes times long hair, so 0.6 times 0.5, and we get 0.3, which is 30% if I move the decimal twice. So in this case, yes, they are independent, and I proved it by this. I showed that their independent probabilities multiplied together equals this AND probability, the intersection probability. Here's just a few more examples. Maybe pause the video and try these, and then you can watch me go over it. So the probability of A is 0.2 and B is 0.14. So if I multiply 0.2 times 0.14, I get 0.028, which is exactly what this is, the probability of A and B. So this would be yes, they are independent. On this one, if I do 0.32 times 0.16, I get 0.0512, which is not this. So that would be a no. On this one, if I do 1 times 3, that's 3, and 3 times 5 is 15, which is not 4/15, so that would be no, they are dependent. And this one, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 5 is 40, but if we simplify that, it would equal this. So yes, those events A and B are independent. All right, we're going to stop there for now.